Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is January 15th, 2021. The market is officially closed. And we closed near those record highs once again. So let's go ahead and check out how the market did. The first thing we're looking at is the SPX. That is the ticker for S&P 500. Last week we put a price target of this reaching around that 3,800 level, and we did that. And I was looking for the market to kind of trade back and forth, and it kind of did that as well for this entire week. Now at the end of the week we had a little bit of a close below what it started at, but we're still protecting that 20-day moving average. So you can see when the market continued to move higher, we had our levels established. It continued to go higher. We hit our 3,800 target, traded around there. Now our 20-day moving average is being protected. So what do I see for next week? I see that this should attempt to bounce, because last time it did it there. Every time it's been following that. So that's the intermediate trend. I expect that to continue to follow that until it doesn't. So that is going to be the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell to see how the Russell did in comparison. IWM is the ticker that we've been following. Our price target for that was above 200. We hit 200 last time we looked at it. It made a move higher to 210. Now it bounced off the 20-day just like the other index did, the S&P 500, and it made a push higher. We closed today with some indecision with this doji candle. We made a high of 215. So now I'm looking at things to also continue to stall out on this one as well. That 20-day moving average is going to either make or break things, and I'm looking forward to continue to make things. That has been my prediction since October. If you've been following along, this is what we've been doing since then, when I told everyone that the market should continue to go higher. So that is the synopsis, and thank you everybody for listening. Remember that my podcast is officially out. That is Stocks and Bars. New episode coming this weekend. Stocks and Bars. Also, don't forget, Marathon Money has added a new website, and that is Marathon Money Plus. So if you have not signed up for it, make sure you go to marathonmoneyplus.com. Go ahead and sign up. You get all of the same picks that you get from Cam and Kenny every single week there now. So that is it. Make sure you follow me here. Hit add everywhere. Wincrease team. That's any social media, and we'll catch you later. All right. Peace.